Oh, guys, it's Armand. Playing Plants vs. Zombies too. Oh, we have downloading. Oh, there's an update. I didn't know that. Well, downloading progress will be super quick. I was like, dun 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 dun. Oh, wow, the music is ahead. Applying patch is a bit slower. I don't like that, but it was quick. I think draftodil's in now. That is too early. No, seriously. We rely on in-game ads. If you disabled, what? I don't know. I guess that. So we have call. Oh yeah. Hold on. What's the update? Okay, hold it. February 19th. Jump earnestly into this updating. Gloomvine and draftodil's in. Oh yeah, the new zombie, the help desk. He has this computer. He throws it. He can destroy a plant. He only has one computer, not infinite. Bushels bug fixes. Ooh, it might be like all the stuff like when the app crashes. No, maybe not app crashing because it never worked in Zombie Snobby. It could be app crashing. I think it also includes the, what do you call that again? When the music cuts out. When the music cuts out. So it could be easier to hear the Zomboss charges. Okay, what do we have? So we do have a lot of things. We do have Caulipower Epic Quest. I can do that like on the weekend. I can do a whole Caulipower showcase. Let's see. Whoa, look at that. Tied for 4th and 5th. Tied with 4th and 5th. Okay, 5th. That's gonna be good. That's gonna be really easy actually. And that's that. Then okay, this is the strat. I mean, what am I doing? This is the strat, not something else. Okay, what do our starting people look like? Oh, Jester. Let's see. The music is good. I can hear the music fine. This is going out good. Usually it starts cutting out right now. Should it? I don't know. Okay. I can hear the music all fine. Yay! The music is no longer cutting out. Guys, this is awesome. The music is not cutting out. I can't believe this is so good. Thanks, PVZ creator. That helps your players. So good. Man, he was hurting over range war. He's on the side now. Seriously? That roller skater is so annoying. They're like, bye bye, back. That's all they do. Was that my best move? Oh, wow. I thought I would. Caulipower! 10 tile turn. Oh, wow. We're gonna upgrade a lot of these enchantment related stuff. No, soon. Soon, not now. Because they're not available. Poxnet. I keep getting these spam comments and it just reminds me the .net. Something .net. One person was like, I just don't like spamming the keyboard. Spamming on the keyboard and they just never look at them, at least. To avoid account hacking. Go, 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 go! Okay. Seriously? Not him? Wow, at least caulipower. Okay. Eat him, eat him, eat him! Eat him! Wow, I can't believe the rocket. The music is there. Look at that, the music is not cutting out. I can't believe this. I mean, like, this is such a great update. I can't believe this creator fixed it. He did it, and now I'm so happy. Zach's got it. So he's like, oh my god, fix this! That's all he does. Every video. Can you just fix this? Gee, what is this? That's it. Seriously. Give it back to me. Well, you know, it was pretty annoying. Because sometimes he just charges and then he doesn't like it. He doesn't like zombies charging. They mess you up like 2 columns. Unless if you stop them with a mini. Or flame just any or that affects the charge. But get this guy! Look at us! Not that guy! Seriously? He didn't even go for the back? Vermo sees even back. Wait, I lost. Oh, I kept talking. I was like, oh my god, I lost. And when the music came, I can't believe it. The noise. I'm just so happy. Lots of boring around. Ghosty. Oh, you think you can ghosty me? Because I'm going to destroy you, obliterate you. Ooh. Chimps and Biff Biffle. They have the same name. Oh, that's big. Oh, wow! I can't believe that caulipower. I didn't see the rest of it. But now it's not doing anything. Oh, there. It's like, oh, man. What is it? Jump! Seriously? Yay. The one thing about the rockets, they're helpful to avoid these surfboards. Gee, that's just a few taps of heal. There are 2 of them, get him. Number 2, and the guy who's in there. No. Sorry, got hypnotized. Ooh, we got him. That was useful for the infant stuff, at least. I can't believe the noise is there. I mean, look at this. I can hear everything right now. Look, it's supposed to be cutting out like in a minute. Like, it's so loud now and crazy. That's why I like tuning. He somehow hacked the music and to make everybody enjoy it. Hack and enjoy. Yeah! Zombie healing and turning fire. Oh, wow. Can we beat the score? No, I exactly remember. Oh, we were so close to beating it, actually. No, we beat it by like 3,000 points. 3,000 points and 400 points. 3,400 points, I guess. I mean, that's my new best score. New best score, everybody. That's how you do it. That's what you really want to see. After a 3-minute game, that's all you got. That's all you're gonna get. Okay. Okay, at least they target other people. Len is gonna take down the hypnotize. Someone else? Great. It was a flying guy, I saw. Oh, I just heard it. Oh, Lord. You know what I mean. It's back. The music. They just dragged. Took away my caulipower. One caulipower each time I play. Pretty important needed. Okay. Yeah, the green choice. Yeah, the gargantuar. Take that. Feel the pain. Feel the pain. Feel the pain. Making this gargantuar feel pain. Oh, there he's hypnotized. No, we made him feel too much pain. He might not be strong enough. So many gargantuar. This is what it's gonna be like in the Wild West. Creating our own gargantuars with the hypnoshoe using plainfin on it. It's gonna get the own gargantuars. But the other gargantuars that are there, oh yeah, they still stay. Well, look at this. Can I get there like one game? And like, you know, sometimes it takes only 2 minutes for a game, and then the next time we get ready, it's a third. That's so cool. And then go like a rush yard. Like football. Can't believe Tampa Bay won. Glad. Well, anyway, back here. Business! Okay. There's even a real animation by the creator. Sorry, caulipower, you're gonna have to deal with that. No, concealment is dragon! And you should have done it. hit the green sword. Seriously? Witch hazel. Getting some of that. I think witch hazel is a free thing now because it didn't show the golden lock. Or maybe it's not even in there. Yep, can't find witch hazel. It's usually right here somewhere. That's why it's a lock because it's not even shown. Maybe it's in the shop. It's in the shop. Okay, so 25. So if we're doing 25 points, we need all the time we have. And we gotta win them. Seriously? No worries, we can win the extra battle, so maybe we can do it. Maybe. Yeah, we can do it.
We're coming.
Okay, here's that, plant that. Okay, here we go. Okay. This is a crazy thing. Seriously? No. Quick. Oh, they disconnected. The AirPods connected. Sorry, that happens sometimes. People do use them as family. Of course, people need AirPods, and yeah, of course I have AirPods. Why don't you use them, Armand, so you don't get any problems? I don't know. I'll just say I don't know. Then I'll be focused in the thing, like Oh, no. Maybe I can. I don't know.
Zombies are coming.
Okay. So this time I could start with that. Now that's what we should call power. I have to do that. It would be hard. You know, I could have had some hypnotization. No, I'm gonna die. Maybe. I don't know. This time I might even. Oh, Jester died. My Jester. The one on my side, not like I own him. Okay, here we go. Fourth. It's supposed to be fourth. this is a new version. 8.7.1, just saying. You were wondering like why everything looks so new. This is the new version. There's draftodil and P-vine. No, P-vine and the other guy. The P-vine, I forgot the other guy's name. I know him. P-vine and gloom flower. They're coming in 8.8.1. That's the update they're coming in. It's like, why are they not here? That's when they're coming. The next update after 8.1. Now my update number is okay. I can't believe it. I lost. I'll always sit in the game for you. Rush yards! Rush yards! Quickly, come on. Load so quick. Please load quick. See, not crashing this video. At least. I mean, I think it was part of the bug. Oh, that's why I know. Because 55, 54, 53. Look how fast the seconds are going. 70? Okay. Blubber trick with the caulipower plant food. When it tries to make the gargantua float in the air, you can use blower and it'll be going away. Just saying. It's a blower fact. Okay, quickly we gotta rush.
The zombies are coming.
Forgot about that. this is pretty good. I like the noise. It makes it sound so intense. Oh, I'm out of playing field. But there we go, one more. Okay, quickly, please. If we finish this game quick, like in 2 minutes, I'll be so happy. I'll be super happy. Then we can play 2 more. We can squeeze in. Okay, I was able to plant a few caulipower that one, at least. Okay, man, that's why I can't watch this. Things like that happen. Okay, there we go. At least I made up a bit. I may win this actually. Because, you know, I quickly planted 2 caulipower. It's required for the start. I was like, oh, I shouldn't be rushing. Big notification. Oh, shit! And you know I'm beating that point. Bye-bye. Primrose or something like that. Seriously? I can't believe it. The notification. Okay, now this machine is part of the Oh my god, 2 gargantuars just staying together. Any notification you see, it's not. But I don't know why my neck didn't signed in. Just because we're not, I don't know. So I think we can. Oh, we can't squeeze in. We can't squeeze it in. Sorry. We can't. We don't have time. Anyway, guys, this. Hey, let's do some division here. So there's 3 days. 3 divided by that. That's gonna be 33. If he gets 30, oh wow, he's gonna be 2 of us. And I'm gonna get 4th. This guy. Divide that. That's 3, 32. Yeah, he could beat me too. I could get a 5th place somewhere, guys. I could get a 5th. It doesn't really matter. Oh, what if I can play the piñata party? What if? We're talking what ifs. Okay, I'm just gonna play it. Why not? It should be quick. Oh no, it shouldn't. Jeez. I'm not gonna forget about the garlic.
Zombies are coming.
Plant and dig. I don't like them. Okay, they're just saying keep 1 at least. Nope. Oh. down at least. We've updated so far. Never mind, I thought I was gonna die. Or I was okay, we did it. Let's wait for him to eat that. Let's see. Can I go in? No. Okay, guys, thanks for listening for today's episode. Please subscribe if you guys are not. If you guys like this video, all you gotta do is just to click on the like button below. See what we get. What do we get? Daisy chain times 13. That's crazy. Ooh, ouch. And we have penny purses, guys. Just saying. It's new, but I didn't do it. Even epic quest for caulipower. See you guys later.